Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a banana. I draw the stem of the banana. Draw a big curved line going down like a smile. Draw another curved line below it. This makes the banana shape. Now add some lines in the middle to show the banana peel. Let's color the banana yellow. We love bananas. Monkeys love bananas too. They are easy to eat and super tasty. Don't forget to eat fruits and stay healthy. Brown. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.